There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, divas? What's up, everybody? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know what time it is. Like, it's pink. It's got a pink box. It's Amazon time. What I tell y'all, Amazon Prime, get your on time. Girl, what? Yes, Amazon Prime. See, I already know how I am. We locked in. Like, you and me, we locked in. And me and Unice here, we locked in. Like, this is like a new tutorial, a new unit that I'm pretty sure y'all might just need. Now, this one right here, girl, is a blonde bob, okay? I know y'all seen that from the thumbnail. Unice has the most affordable lace front wigs that are natural looking. Girl, you best to hop on it if you haven't done so. But girl, look, okay? She is straight in the bob. She does come with some cute stuff, which is a wig cap, some tape, a comb, and a melting band. So that way your edges will be laid, girl, okay? This one right here is a 12-inch blonde pre-everything bob. I like the darker roots. Okay, this is a silky texture. She is pre-cut. She has been pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled. Baby, she's pre-approved.
I need to log off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose, yeah. I just wanna be loved. That's really, really good for you, yeah. Everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable, yeah. Almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose, yeah. I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than. Striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, then not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself. Lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just wanna see too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved.
All right, y'all, this is the final look. I had to change that shirt because it was not looking good with the blonde wig. Like certain colors you just cannot wear with certain hair colors, you know what I'm saying? Certain shirts, just you know, it's about balance. And girl, I definitely had to balance that out. Now it's looking a lot better because at first I was like on the fence about it, but now definitely, yes, I cannot wear no mustard color yellow shirt with this color blonde wig. Now, first of all, let me just say this. This is definitely put on and go. You already know UNICEWIG be coming with the flow, and it's Amazon Prime. So you know you getting your on time. They did a really great job with this unit. I think like this color blonde looks amazing on like darker color skin tones. This would look so good on one of my darker divas because this color blonde is just perfect. And especially because it got the roots. Now, I'm not really too sure about how I'm feeling about the baby hairs because you know I do see the girlies wearing it like this and it's but I don't know, like I like it but I like it on them. Get plenty of parting in this unit. It is a 7x5. Seriously, this is a summer bob. I don't know why I'm always yelling, but this is a summer bob, like straight up. It fits very well. The elastic band, the adjustable elastic removable band does it justice. It fits very, very well. There are a lot of caps like this where I noticed that they just be buckling in the back, but this one from Unice, they always seem to fit just right, okay? But listen, I'm gonna link everything down below. I got to go. You already know. I love y'all. I will definitely see y'all in the comments. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so if you like this content. I hope you all have like an amazing day whenever you're watching this. Enjoy your evenings. Enjoy your day. I love y'all. Please make sure to comment, and I'll see y'all in the next one.